Hey guys, Alex coming to you here with a quick unboxing and overview of the Arrow Pro Series 5-in-1 Cordless Electric Multi-Tacker, model ET501C. Now this is a lithium-ion powered cordless multi-tacker tool that works with 3 types of staples and 2 types of nails. So this works with T50, JT21, and T25 staples, as well as 18 gauge brad nails and pin nails. This has a lithium ion battery, auto adjust feed feature. This also has an ergonomic design with some rubber overmolding on the handles as well. So let me take you around to the back of the packaging and also show you what we have there. A little bit more info on the staple types that can be used if you want to pause the video and take a look at that. This tacker also comes with a 2-year warranty as well. Just wanted to point that out. So let's take you on inside and show you what we have in the packaging. We have a free storage caddy offer. Okay. We have our instruction manual here. We have the tacker itself. And as well, we have our charging cable. So it looks like in that case the battery is non-removable. That's our staple tray here. It has this latch to close and release it. Snaps right in like that. We have our charging port. We have our power switch. Doesn't look like it has any sort of indicator light. Oh, actually it does have an indicator light right on top. So that's off and on. This is also handy. We have the staple type and nail type that this device accepts written on the body, so you don't have to keep track of the packaging with the manual. And we also have some symbols for what it accepts here as well. So yeah, that's a quick overview of what it looks like. Alright, so after doing a quick read through of the user manual, I'm now able to load this and give you guys a quick demo with some Arrow staples that I've actually purchased as well. So I have some of their T25 staples, and I'm going to give you a quick demo using their 9/16 inch staples. Alright, so let's take one stack of staples here, and we actually load this upside down. So let's open our chamber here, and then we actually place the staples pointing upwards, and now we slide closed, and now we're set. So in this room we have some existing wiring here that's tacked onto the wall, but it's a bit loose and has staples that are a bit too far apart. So this will be a great opportunity to test out this Tacker. So we have our Tacker here, and we're gonna turn it to the on position with our indicator light showing it's now on. And now we're gonna line this up. And that's our first one. Looks pretty good. I could probably do it a little bit closer to the lower cable, so let's try that again. That's our second one. Goes nice and flush. Lots of power, I can tell already. This concludes my quick unboxing and overview of the Arrow ET501C Tacker. Overall, my first impressions are very positive for this device. The build quality is really good ergonomics on it. There's also a lot of power. I'm pleased with the quality of the work on the demo that I did so far. It's going to take a little bit more time to see how reliable this is, to get a better sense of the battery life as well. But like I said, overall, overwhelmingly positive so far. So it's a device that I would recommend that you purchase as well if you're in the need for a cable tacker such as this. Thanks again for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and check out my other videos as well.